Count has gone to 3-0 to Ramirez. This one lifted deep into left field. De La Cruz goes back, and he will run out of room as Agustin Ramirez gives the Patriots the early lead on the 2-run home run that just clears the left field fence.
First home run in AA this season for Ramirez. That one, like you said, just cleared that left field fence. I know you said it hasn't really been a lot of cheapies this series. Even though that one just cleared, still wouldn't call that one a cheapie either, because it was smoked.
Way outside, but Dominguez stopped. This one slapped the other way and will eventually be stopped by Oliver Dunn, but not going to be able to make the play at first, and now the ball gets away. Dominguez kept on running all the way around to third. Now
2-1. That one swung on. That's going to drop in for a base hit to left. Having to hold up, though, was Dominguez, so he'll just get the third. So it's a one-out base hit for Ramirez. Puts men on the corners. One out for Elijah Dunham.
And I think
top of the sixth, 8-0.
I think the score has something to do with that as well. And